How to use E-net ATMs. Phew, Iko, that sashimi was great, wasn't it?
I want to eat ramen next.
Iko, all you do is eat.
Let's go! Let's go! Huh? I'm out of money, and this shop doesn't accept credit cards. We came all the way here. What are you laughing about?
With E-net ATMs, you can withdraw Japanese yen at places like convenience stores and supermarkets. Ta-da! This is an E-net ATM.
To be able to use international cards,
They need to have these marks, okay?
so we just insert the card
Then we follow the guidance.
and proceed. Wow! I withdrew Japanese yen!
Easy, right?
Next, how about some tonkatsu,
Tempura, curry, and sushi, or again, takoyaki, miso soup, natto, udon, soba, sukiyaki, potato salad, dorayaki, mocha, teppanyaki.
Iko, I think we need to go withdraw some more money. Need Japanese yen?